Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt your heart pound, your palms sweat, or your mind go blank the moment you have to speak English in front of others, especially in class or a professional setting? If you nodded yes, you are not alone. This feeling is incredibly common. Today, we are going to break down why this happens and give you 3 practical strategies to help you move past this fear and start speaking English with more confidence. First, we will discuss why does this fear happen? Here are the main reasons we get nervous. Number 1. The fear of making mistakes. This is the big one. When speaking our native language, we aren't constantly analyzing our grammar. But in English, there's a pressure to be perfect. We worry that a wrong word, a misplaced tense, or a strange pronunciation will lead to judgment or misunderstanding. But the reality is, native speakers make mistakes all the time. Communication is the goal, not flawless grammar. Number 2. Pressure to perform, the spotlight effect. In a classroom or meeting, when all eyes are on you, you feel like you are under a microscope. This feeling, known as the spotlight effect, makes us overestimate how much others are actually noticing our nerves or small errors. But in reality, most people are focused on the content of what you're saying, or perhaps even thinking about what they will say next. Third point is lack of practice. For many learners, the only time they truly speak English is in that high-pressure setting. If you don't practice casual, low-stakes conversation, the official settings will always feel terrifying. But in reality, speaking is a skill, like swimming or playing an instrument. It only improves through repetition and consistent effort. Next, we will discuss 3 strategies to build confidence. Here are 3 simple, actionable steps you can start taking today to reduce that speaking anxiety. Strategy number 1. Change your mindset. Literally tell yourself, it's okay to make a mistake. Every mistake is a learning opportunity, not a failure. Think of yourself as an English in progress. You are actively building the skill. Focus on the message. Before you speak, quickly think, what is the one main point I want to convey? Focus on delivering that message, rather than focusing on the perfection of every word. Your goal is to be understood, not to sound like a textbook. Strategy number 2. Practice in low-stakes environments. Find a practice buddy. This is crucial. Find a friend, a language exchange partner, or a tutor who you trust and who knows you are practicing. Have casual, no-pressure conversations. The goal here is fluency, not accuracy. Just keep the words flowing. Talk to yourself. Yes, this sounds silly, but it works. Narrate your day while you're alone, in the shower, doing chores, or walking outside. I am making coffee now. I need to add milk. This trains your brain to quickly retrieve and use English words without the pressure of an audience. Strategy number 3. Prepare and visualize. The 5-sentence rule. For class meetings, if you know you might be called on, prepare a minimum of 5 sentences in advance about the topic. This gives you a safe mental script to fall back on, reducing the chance of your mind going blank. Visualize success. Before class or a presentation, close your eyes for 30 seconds and imagine yourself speaking clearly, making a small mistake, quickly correcting it, and continuing smoothly. Visualization can trick your brain into feeling more prepared and less panicked. Now go out and use what you learned today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you in the comments.